Today is the day of the big competition, and you can almost feel the excitement. Who will succeed? We will see. Before we head into the live trials, let's review what happened so far. The students arrived Wednesday from all across the country. And for the first time, we got to hear a little about their process.
In the beginning, our arm really sucked.
We started off with a PVC pipe, then we went on with wood, right? And then we went to acrylic.
The amount of testing we did, I'd say it was a lot. We created many different prototypes. The first one did not work as well, so over time we created more prototypes and really adjusted them to find one that works.
As we did trials and experiments, we made a whole bunch of data tables and graphs to make sure that our design was the best one possible.
So our arm basically works with the switch. Every time these two metals or thumbtacks touch, it will either open it or close it.
It's almost like eye-opening because you don't really realize what goes into it until you've actually done something like this.
We didn't know anything when we got the SparkFun kit. We didn't know anything about programming or anything, so we had to make some research.
Our arm is basically like a cardboard tube, and then we use a motor called a servo, and it controls like an arm grip like this. It basically functions using a light sensor.
Our arm works by a button under our arm, which we push against our rib cage.
Well, over time we would research different components, and we would get more advanced with our knowledge. Now we would have relays, which is a component that can switch polarities of electricity from positive negative to negative positive.
From an online course to edX, I learned Java, and then I took a community C course, C++ class.
It took us 3 months to design and finish.
In a lot of engineering competitions, they give us some abstract problem that we have to work at solving, but this one you can see that it's really relevant and you could actually help people. And it's really cool to see that high schoolers can make a difference in the world.
Even after their long day of travel, many of the contestants stayed up late, practicing their presentations and making some final changes to their prosthetic arms.
For the poster presentation, we're supposed to give a detailed process on how the introduction, how we designed it, how we researched it, how we decided which would work and which wouldn't work.
Well, we're nervous, but we think we got it.
Of course, we were nervous for our poster presentations.
I think we're getting there to full preparation, and we're all kind of nervous.
What we know best from the arm is what we're presenting.
Because there is requirements on what we're actually supposed to say. So to make sure that we hit every point that's listed there, it's hard because we're nervous and we keep on going and going and going, and there's a time limit.
So the poster presentation is really a fourth of the score, so it's just as important as pretty much all the actual testing and the live competition. So it's really crucial that we get through this.
Thursday's poster presentation followed pretty strict guidelines and had to include an abstract, drawings of their design features and Arduino diagrams, tables including their testing and results, as well as analysis and conclusions. The presentations were 10 minutes long, followed by a question and answer portion. What the judges were really looking for here is that the students have a solid grasp of the engineering and science concepts, that they followed a thorough process, and that they could communicate the science and process well. Unfortunately, not even we were allowed in the rooms during these presentations. We only wish the contestants good luck. With the presentation behind them, the students were assigned a time to practice for the performance event. After practicing, the students tried to relax a little, see the city, explore the campus, and enjoy time with new friends. Now, onto the live performance competition. To all of you students, I wish you the very best. Good luck.